Morgan Stanley versus M&T Bank, which is better? In this video, we'll compare Morgan Stanley and M&T Bank to determine which is the better fit for your financial goals. Links to both products are in the description for your convenience. Let's jump right into it by exploring the key features, who each is made for, and how they stack up against one another. Morgan Stanley is best known for its wealth management, investment services, and financial advisory. It's designed for high net worth individuals, investors looking for personalized financial planning, and those seeking sophisticated portfolio management. Morgan Stanley offers a wide range of services, including investment strategies, retirement planning, and access to exclusive investment opportunities. If you're looking for a firm that can guide you through wealth building and long-term financial goals, Morgan Stanley is an excellent choice, with access to top-tier financial advisors and tools. On the other hand, M&T Bank is a regional bank providing a wide range of traditional banking services. M&T Bank caters more to personal banking, small businesses, and everyday customers. Their offerings include checking and savings accounts, mortgages, personal loans, and business banking services. M&T Bank stands out with its customer-friendly mobile platform, competitive rates, and branch network, making it ideal for individuals who need reliable banking services without the complexities of high-end wealth management. M&T Bank also offers investment services, but primarily focuses on the basics, offering a solid choice for those who prioritize straightforward banking without the need for specialized financial advice. In conclusion, if you're seeking advanced investment services, personalized wealth management, and expert advice, Morgan Stanley is the better option. However, if you're looking for a practical, accessible bank with great customer service for day-to-day banking and basic financial needs, M&T Bank should be your go-to choice. Check out the links in the description to explore both options further.